Choo, 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 choo.
That's good. Now, listen to Percy puffing. Now, try and puff, Stafford.
Puff, 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 puff.
Well done, Stafford. You sound just like a steamy.
Thanks, Thomas. Thanks, Percy.
So Stafford went to the docks, and both Thomas and Percy agreed that Stafford sounded wonderful.
Puff, 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 puff. Chuff, 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 chuff. Puff, puff.
Everybody loved hearing Stafford's new sounds.
Puff, 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 puff. Chuff, 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 chuff.
Hey, Stafford, you sound just like a steam engine.
This made Stafford very happy.
That's me. I'm Steamy Stafford.
When Stafford arrived at Brendam Docks, the dock workers began to unload his timber. Then Henry arrived, and he wheeshed his steam.
Whoosh! That's another sound that steamies make. I'm going to make a sound like that too. Whoosh!
Stafford raced back to the yard, making his new noises.
Puff, 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 puff. Chuff, chuff, chuff.
Steamy Stafford coming through.
But then he met Gordon. Stafford honked his horn, and Gordon blew his whistle.
Oh, steamies have whistles, but I've only got a horn. Maybe I can make a sound like a steam whistle too. Woo, woo!
Then Stafford saw the children on the bridge again.
Chuff, chuff, chuff.
The children loved Stafford's new noises.
Hooray for Steamy Stafford!
Stafford had never been happier. Stafford went back to the yard to charge his batteries. Then Sir Topham Hatt came to see him.
Farmer McCall needs your help, Stafford. You must go to his farm immediately. You are just the engine for the job.
Stafford was excited. He was coupled up to some livestock cars and raced away as fast as he could.
Puff, 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 puff. Chuff, 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 chuff. Whoosh! Woo, woo! Puff, 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 puff. Chuff, 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 chuff. Whoosh! Woo, woo!
Stafford was soon at Farmer McCall's.
Puff, 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 puff. Chuff, 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 chuff. Whoosh! Woo, woo!
But Steamy Stafford's steamy sounds frightened all of Farmer McCall's lambs away. Farmer McCall was very upset.
Stafford, I asked for you because you are a quiet engine, and you wouldn't scare my lambs. And now, I don't know where they are.
Oh, no. Oh, I'm sorry, Farmer McCall. Is there something I can do to help?
But Farmer McCall had already gone to look for his lambs. Stafford felt terrible.
Maybe, sometimes, it's best to be a quiet electric engine.
And as Stafford sat there thinking, he heard something in the distance.
Is that... could it be? It is. I can hear the lambs. But Farmer McCall has gone the wrong way.
So Stafford rolled quietly away to find Farmer McCall.
I can hear the lambs. I know where they are.
Well done, Stafford. Let's go and get them.
So Stafford headed quietly towards the lambs. And he didn't puff or chuff or wheesh.